so the first look I'm showing you is this Gothic witch look. Now to start off, I'm just using this wig right here from an Amazon-based company called Khalees. I love this wig, it's perfect for the look. It has that nice witchy Gothic look that I was looking for, and it's 100% Japanese, high temperature, heat resistant silk. I just loved the length of it. It was 24 inches long, and it was very suitable for the type of Halloween look I was going for. Excuse my camo pants though, but it also has this scalp in the middle right here, so it kind of gives off that it's real hair, and it tucks behind your ear nice and natural, so it worked for me. But anyways, let's move on to the makeup. I'll leave this linked down below. I just really thought it tied really well into the look. So this is going to be the makeup. I already did my skin. So I'm just taking the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm taking a bronzer right here, and I'm going to carve out my cheekbones so I have a nice sculpted look. And you want to be very heavy-handed with this. So you want to do that, and then take a really bright highlight, and I'm placing this over my skin. I just wanted to do something a little bit different. I know highlight is very in nowadays, but I'm just saying like very bright highlights. I never use like such white highlights, and I thought, you know, casting spells off our cheeks, why not? So there we go. And then now moving on to the eyes, I'm just taking a black eyeshadow right here, and I'm going to take a card and kind of flare out that eyeshadow. I loved the way this look came out. I'm not really super fond of black eyeshadow, but in this case I thought it worked really well with the wig and also the witch hat. It just was a look. Then I'm taking some brown eyeshadow to blend out that black. You need to blend off of something, or else it might come off as a little messy. Some people are experts at blending out black eyeshadow. I am not, so I needed a little bit of brown eyeshadow to help me. So then filling in all the naked spots on my eyes. Black eyeshadow can be a little patchy sometimes. And I'm sorry for the really short clip there, but I just took a white eyeshadow to highlight my brow bone area so you could really see that black pop. Then I'm lining my waterline with black eyeliner and eyeshadow to just blend it out so it could be nice and smoky. Then I'm taking these glamour lashes, and voila, now this look is definitely more glamorous. Then I'm drawing a moon, a crescent moon on my head, and I did mess up, but I went in with some concealer and fixed it. And just putting 3 dots on both sides. I just felt like this was going to be a more magical look. I'm sucking with my words today on my voiceover, guys. I'm so sorry. Now I'm taking a black lipstick. This lipstick was hard to use. I got it from Spirit, and it just wasn't working. I needed like Weirdo from Jeffree Star or something, but I didn't have that, so just working with what I got. This is the first look. I love it. It's perfect for a last minute idea for Halloween. Now look number 2, you can never go wrong with the devil. I've done a more glamorous devil on my channel, more complex, but this one's gonna be a lot easier to do. So I'm just taking some foundation and covering up the redness on my skin. And I did have some eyeshadow on from earlier, so I'm covering that as well. This is my work makeup. I don't really wear face makeup, just a little bit of eyeshadow. So I'm just covering it all up with this luminous foundation, and I wanted my skin to be very dewy. Now, like I said, I did a look on my channel that was a bit more complex, and I wanted to do something way more simple. Being a devil is such an easy thing to do. All you need is some devil horns and a red top, and then you're good to go. Everybody will know what you are. So I just wanted to do a devil with a twist. So the eye makeup and everything else is going to be so simple. So very last minute for you last minute girls. Then I'm taking this gold eyeshadow right here. I'm just going to brighten up my inner corners, eye corners. I wanted to be glowy, like I said, and also highlighting the nose. And I'm taking this taupe color and placing it all over the lid and blending it out. So whenever you go out on Halloween, it's dark. So if you're not really good at makeup, I suggest just doing this really quickly, and it'll look like you tried at least, and it doesn't really matter too much. Then I'm taking this warmer brown color and blending that taupe color out, and this will warm up the eyes and make it go a lot better with the red. And once I am done blending out that eyeshadow for the lower lash line, I'm taking this red ochre color and placing it on my lower lash line and blending it out. This will make you look a little more, just play up the eyes a bit. Red eyeshadow always is this trick for Halloween looks, so now you're just gonna see me blending this out for what I feel like is forever, but it wasn't. So after that, I'm not gonna do fake eyelashes or anything. I'm just going to curl my lashes, and like I said, this is for the girls who are super last minute, so you're not thinking about lashes or any type of crazy makeup. So I'm just going to place some lengthening mascara. This is just the Mega Length Mascara from Wet n Wild, and put it coating my top lashes, of course. This mascara is also really good if you're on a budget. It does the job and it's very affordable. I love this mascara. Lengthens your lashes pretty long. Now moving on, what I'm just gonna do is carve out my cheekbones like I did in the first clip. I'm just using the Hoola bronzer. And then after that, I'm just going to blend it all in. And then I do place a little bit of highlight on, but I'm moving on to lips and using Whipped Caviar to line my lips. It's a very natural color by NYX. Then I'm just gonna pat some red lipstick in, and it's going to be a nice and natural look. I'm gonna blend that out. Okay, so now that the makeup is done, I'm just going to take some blood. This is vampire blood, and I'm just placing it all over my neck. I wanted to do something different, like I said. You can always get blood last minute, and it makes you look just great. And I'm going to be crying some blood tears, and it's perfect for Halloween. I loved this look. It was very cute and easy to achieve. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed these 2 easy looks, and I will see you in my next Halloween video. Alright, I love you guys. Bye!